My name's Wesley McFalls. This is the machine shop. I've been managing this shop for about 7-8 years. Anything that the org provides, we've made the prototypes, and every single project we do impacts surgery. It impacts it in one way or another. It either tells us don't go down that road, or that's the road to keep going down. In the machine shop, I would say there's 4 debatable, 5 different disciplines. We have a mill department, we have a fabrication department, we have a Swiss screw machine department, an EDM department, and the 5th one is called the mill turn, but that's kind of a hybrid of mill and Swiss. If you get any instrument that's out in the market right now, you probably have every one of these disciplines touching on some aspect of that instrument. And so yeah, it's very rare that an idea works off the first shot. And so you get to try out your idea, you get to iterate, try it out again, make it perfect. So you can use this machine shop for doing that whenever, for everything really, and get the instruments into surgeons' hands.
As an engineer ideating an idea or a concept, they'll start designing it, and then they can actually go and, the shop is in walking distance, from their desk. They can go there and talk to the shop guys and kind of get an idea whether this thing can be made or not.
So the engineers will have their blueprints and their models, and it could be anything from 1 part to 20 parts or more.
Sometimes it can be complex, and so we'll be designing it thinking that this is going to work. And then when we go to Wes, he'll give us feedback like, well, we can't do it this way because these are some of the limitations and whatnot. He's telling us this is what we can do, and so we'll go back to our desk and try to design it based on the limitations of the machine. Since innovation is such a critical aspect of what we do, we want to turn designs out quickly. It allows us to do that because the shop is just here and we can get that immediate feedback. If you fail, you just talk to the shop and say, hey, this is something urgent that we're trying to prove out. Let's make it again. And we have that flexibility to continue to innovate quickly at a rapid pace.
We have an innovative mindset, so that's what we try to do every day when we're working on anything, is we're trying to innovate. Everybody knows the mission, they are bought in, they believe in ATEC and what we stand for, and I know that we're doing something special. I get to go home every day and be proud of what we do. I wake up in the morning excited to come back in, just knowing that we're really innovating and making new things for the market and solving challenges in the OR that unfortunately there's not that many companies out there left that care to try to solve. And so knowing that ATEC cares, and that's what we're all about, is the pursuit of that perfect procedure. I love it. I love that we get to come in here and actually make an impact and move the ball forward.